Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize student loans with Navient, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all relevant information about your student loans. Log into your Navient account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard to view your loan details. Identify the types of loans you have and their respective interest rates. Next, review your repayment options presented in your account. Consider which repayment plan aligns best with your financial situation. If you're unsure, use the Loan Simulator tool to estimate monthly payments for different plans. Once you choose a repayment plan, select it from the menu. Confirm your choice and review any potential changes to your monthly payments. If applicable, explore options for loan consolidation. If you decide to consolidate, gather the necessary documents and complete the application process. Next, check for eligibility for any loan forgiveness programs that may apply to you. If you might qualify, follow the specific guidelines provided for those programs. Regularly monitor your loan balance and repayment progress through your account. If your financial situation changes, revisit your repayment options. Consider setting up automatic payments to ensure timely payments and possibly lower your interest rate. Finally, keep track of any promotional offers or interest rate reductions available through Navient. Maintaining regular communication with Navient is also important for any questions or issues that may arise. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.